How to change the password of the WordPress admin. There are two ways you can change the password of your WordPress admin. If you know the username and have forgotten your password, then you can change the password from the login page. Just click this Lost Your Password link below, and it will take you to another page. Enter your username or email address that you used once you installed WordPress. And then click the Get New Password button, and you just follow the instructions on your email. This is the first method. The second method is if you know your admin password and want to change it, first log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Then go to Users and then click Profile. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the Set New Password button in the Account Management section. Then click the Set New Password button. It auto-generates a password you can either use or type it yourself. You can copy and save the new password and then scroll down and click the Update Profile button. That's it. We have changed the admin password in WordPress. Thank you for watching.